Now we will solve back exercise of the chapter The Wonderful Aunt, and it is on page number 29. Can you tell? You will solve this question by yourselves. I'm just reading it over here. The ants use its feelers to hear, to smell, and to touch. What do we use to hear? We use ear, smell, nose, touch, taste, see. You do it by yourself. I won't write it. These words show size. Put a suitable word after each. A tiny ant. I have completed it for you, so you can do it easily. A tiny ant, a big house, a little mouse, a large jar, a small tree, a great surprise, a vast sea, a huge building. Ants use their mouths to carry the young ones to safety. Do you know of any other creatures which do the same with their babies? Obviously, the cat family. Cat, dog, lion, cheetah, they carry their babies in their mouth. Ants help the home in different ways. How do these ants help? Nurses. I don't have sufficient space over here, that's why I write it over here. Nurse, look after young ones. Soldiers, defend home. Cleaner, cleans house. Food hunter, search for food. Builder, build homes. Pet keeper, take care of pet insects. They have pet insects. We will read about them when we can complete the chapter. I will inshallah show you the images of ant, its feeler, and everything they are mentioned over here. Okay, so this is end of our topic. If you have any kind of question related to the topic, you can contact me. Complete your work, send me clear images of your work. Take care, Allah Hafiz.